Welcome to Star Chat, where we venture into the vast expanse of the cosmos and explore the wonders that lie within. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the universe. As we begin today's show, let's take a moment to gaze up at the night sky and appreciate the beauty of our closest celestial companion, the moon. Today, March 15th, the moon is in its waning crescent phase, with only a tiny sliver of light visible on its surface. This fleeting glimpse of our lunar neighbor reminds us of the ever-changing dance between the Earth, Sun, and Moon. As we approach the new moon, the amount of illuminated surface decreases, leaving us with a narrow window to observe the moon's majestic features. Imagine being an astronaut on a mission to explore the moon's surface, navigating through the vast, dark expanses and stumbling upon the Grimaldi Basin, a stunning impact crater that tells the story of the moon's violent history. With binoculars or a telescope, we can catch a glimpse of this fascinating feature, a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the universe. As we ponder the moon's phases, we're reminded of the intricate ballet between our planet and its satellite. The moon takes approximately 29.5 days to orbit the Earth, passing through 8 distinct phases, each one a unique perspective on the lunar cycle. From the new moon, when the moon is positioned between the Earth and Sun, to the full moon, when the entire face of the moon is illuminated, we're treated to a celestial spectacle that has captivated human imagination for centuries. As we continue to explore the wonders of the universe, let's not forget our responsibility to care for our home planet. The moon, with its airless surface and extreme temperatures, serves as a poignant reminder of the fragility and beauty of our own Earth. As we reach for the stars, we must also tend to our own backyard, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the majesty of the cosmos. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and the intricacies of human innovation. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded that the pursuit of progress is a cosmic endeavor, with challenges and triumphs that echo across the vast expanse of space and time. Today, we're focusing on a story that may seem earthly in scope, but has implications that reach for the skies. Airbus, the European aerospace giant, is facing significant challenges in meeting its production targets despite a massive backlog of nearly 800 aircraft. The company's struggles to ramp up production have raised questions about its ability to deliver on its promises, with only 54 units delivered in the first 2 months of the year, a 17% decline from the same period last year. As we ponder the complexities of aerospace engineering and the intricacies of global supply chains, we're reminded that even the most seemingly insurmountable challenges can be overcome with determination, creativity, and a dash of cosmic perspective. After all, as we strive to push the boundaries of what's possible on Earth, we're also driven by an innate desire to explore and understand the universe beyond our planet. The aerospace industry is a prime example of how human ingenuity can be inspired by the vastness of space. As we reach for the stars, we're forced to confront the limitations of our current technology and push the boundaries of what's thought possible. The development of new materials, propulsion systems, and manufacturing techniques has far-reaching implications that extend beyond the aerospace industry, with potential applications in fields such as renewable energy, medicine, and transportation. As we navigate the complexities of the global economy and the challenges of meeting production targets, we're reminded that the pursuit of progress is a collective endeavor. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a willingness to take risks. The story of Airbus serves as a poignant reminder that even in the face of adversity, human ingenuity can prevail, driven by our innate curiosity and our desire to explore and understand the universe. So, what does the future hold for Airbus and the aerospace industry as a whole? Will they be able to overcome their production challenges and meet their targets? Or will they need to adapt and evolve in response to changing market conditions? As we continue to explore the wonders of the universe and the intricacies of human innovation, we'll be keeping a close eye on this story and its implications for the future of space exploration and scientific discovery. Welcome back to StarChat, as we explore the complexities of our world and the human experience. Today, we're going to take a journey to a small town in Lebanon's Bekaa Valley, where grief and fear have settled over the community like a shroud. The town of Mashgara is home to around 25,000 people, many of whom support the Iranian-backed militant group Hezbollah. But it's also a place where church bells ring out and recorded hymns echo through the empty streets. As we delve into the story of Ayman Mohammed Ghazali, the suspect in the recent attack on a synagogue in Michigan, we find ourselves entangled in a web of violence, revenge, and heartbreak. Ghazali, a 41-year-old naturalized U.S. citizen, died of a self-inflicted gunshot wound after ramming his car into the Temple Israel Synagogue in West Bloomfield, Mich, and opening fire. But what drove him to commit such an act? We learn that Ghazali had strong ties with relatives back in Lebanon, where 4 members of his family were killed in an Israeli airstrike just as the war involving Iran began. His niece, nephew, and 2 brothers were all taken from him in an instant. The pain and anger that followed are palpable, even from afar. As we speak with Fuad Qasim, Ghazali's maternal uncle, we hear the anguish in his voice. "I held my own flesh and blood in my hands," he says tearfully, recalling the night he helped pull the bodies of his loved ones from the rubble. The question on everyone's mind is, what did the children do to deserve this? The Israeli military claims that Ghazali's brother Ibrahim was a Hezbollah commander, responsible for managing weapons operations. But in Mashgara, many believe that Ayman Mohammed Ghazali's actions were motivated by a desire for revenge, to avenge the deaths of his family members. As we navigate this complex and troubled landscape, we're reminded that violence begets violence and that the cycle of revenge can have far-reaching consequences. The mayor of Mashgara, Iskander Barakeh, worries about the impact on Lebanese Americans living in the United States who may face retaliation. And yet, amidst all this chaos and destruction, there's a glimmer of hope. Ibrahim Zia, a soccer coach of one of the killed brothers, says that while he understands the anger, it's not an excuse to kill other innocent people. "We're not against Jews as Jews," he says. "We are against the Israelis who are killing us daily." That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.